cheaper loans ahead. What the U.S. rate cuts mean for the UAE economy. The UAE may be on the verge of a significant shift in its borrowing landscape. As the U.S. Federal Reserve prepares to cut interest rates in September 2025, residents and businesses in the UAE can expect cheaper loans, mortgages, and business financing in the coming months. Because the UAE dirham is pegged to the US dollar, the country closely tracks US monetary policy, meaning any move by the Federal Reserve has a direct impact on UAE interest rates. With the Fed funds rate likely to drop by 25 basis points in September and more cuts expected in 2026, borrowing costs are set to decline. This is a welcome development for households and businesses alike. Over the past 2 years, high interest rates have made mortgages, car loans, and corporate financing more expensive, slowing down consumer spending and investment. A lower rate environment will bring relief to homeowners burdened by rising monthly installments and to businesses struggling with the cost of credit. Economists believe this could provide a tailwind for Gulf economies. The UAE and Saudi Arabia have already shown strong non-oil growth despite a high interest rate environment. Lower borrowing costs could accelerate that growth, stimulating sectors such as real estate, retail, and construction. However, caution is warranted. While cheaper credit supports growth, it can also lead to excessive borrowing and potentially fuel inflation or asset bubbles, particularly in the property market. Policymakers will need to balance the benefits of lower rates with the risk of overheating the economy. For now, though, the message is clear. Individuals considering taking out a home loan, car loan, or business financing may find the coming months to be an opportune time. The expected rate cuts mark the start of a more accommodative cycle, one that could support economic activity well into 2026. In short, the Federal Reserve's decision won't just shape the U.S. economy, it will ripple across the Gulf, offering UAE residents a chance to borrow at cheaper rates and fueling optimism in key sectors of the economy.